wet ass. Unless I stop and put on my waterproof gear in a minute. Can I be bothered? This is the question.
Turn right.
Well, that downpour that I could see coming before, it certainly materialised. I could feel the first drops hit, and I saw a little bakso stall up ahead on the side of the road, so I pulled in there, and I said to the guy, "Is it raining in Ruteng?" And he said, big rain, hujan besar." And so I unrolled my tent, stuck it over Beastie, and as I did that, the heavens just opened. What a storm! What a storm. I sat there for maybe an hour and a half. We just had some bakso, had smoked some cigarettes. There was a guy who came in and he was so drenched and he was so cold. He was actually sitting there physically shaking over his bakso. So when I ran out to Beastie and got my big jacket, I went and put that on him for a while until he warmed up. The poor soul. The weather's not cold here, but yeah, you get drenched on a day like this, and it's not exactly hot either. You will get chilled. So yeah, you can see the runoff now. There've been a few patches across the road where it's just a stream, you know. I'm just taking it very easy on the nice wet road. It's just sprinkling a little bit still, but yeah, nothing compared to what it was. And I put on my wet weather gear finally, and just gonna take it easy through to Labuan Bajo. I wouldn't be surprised if it's not raining once I get down to the coast. But yeah, everyone told me that Ruteng is always cold and raining, and I don't think they were telling a lie. I think I'm about 10 k's out of Ruteng now, and here we are. The scenery is beautiful though, and I don't know if you're seeing a lot of it because I am watching the road pretty well, but look at that. Just, you've got the clouds hanging over the mountain and the jungle and the terraced rice paddies, and this is a pretty magical place, to be honest. I feel pretty lucky to have this crazy opportunity to actually be here. Life's pretty good. Catch you later.